Mahoya ma gutheria kanitha wa Anglican guku bururi-ini ni matabanitio kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral guku Nairobi thutha wa nake gutharikira mucemanio wa thayu mweri muthiru wa guthurima mathabu ma bajeti. Archbishop wa kanitha uyu Jackson Ole Sapit no otongoretie mihango eyo agitetia honge cia ugitiri kuona hatire ikinya rioetwo nginyagia riu.
So persecuting the church and attacking people in a sacred place is an attack on the honor of the church, Jesus Christ our Lord. And he's asking the same question today to those goons, but above the goons, the person who sent them.
Sapit augite tiganya na kiria cionekire cigitabania giko giki aria mamatumite nio mabatie gukuithio mutharaba uria munene.
There was a display of 5 arrested people following the attack of All Saints, but no case has ever been heard in court. No response has been given to us. And our ask, even when I made a public pronouncement and statement, is that we do not only want to see goons arrested, we want to see the honor of the goons displayed, and we need to be told who and what intention they had in attacking the Church of Jesus Christ.
Na riri twerekeire ithurano nene mwaka ukite, Sapit augite bururi ndurorete hega riri atongoria maraikaniria miario ya rumena.
Like in the early church, we felt as a church that we are under persecution. We don't know yet from who. But the Christian dispersed, and that persecution also became reason for the spread of the gospel. And one writer wrote that the blood of the martyrs have always been the seed of the gospel.
Ni akomithitie cioko cia wagi wa ugitiri githurano-ini kinini kia Olkarau akiuga maabitha ugitiri ni magondereire thiini wa wira wao.
If the police are not taking orders from any other person or from the politicians and do according to the law, we will maintain proper law and order. If commissions are allowed to do their work, IEBC, without intimidation, or ESCC, or NCIC, or the judiciary, and even Parliament, both Senate and National Assembly, provided the oversight role to the executive, and the executive, now every ministry are allowed to function.
Hado-ini ha Inooro TV, Jitagwo Gishimo Joseph.